Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create an email template in Zoho CRM. So let's get right into it. Now currently, as you can see, I'm on my main page, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over into my leads page, and I'm going to start sending a mass email. This is where you can create a mass email, and one of the options that you need to fill out is to select the template. If I click on select template, I can click on create a template. That's going to open up a new window, which is pretty much the template creator. Once you're here in the template gallery, you can select whichever template you want out of these here, which are empty, which you can then edit, or you can have some of them that are pre-made and edit them to your liking. Now, I'll select, for example, this 2-column with 1 image. And now, once you have it, you can start editing it. You can enter the template name. I'll just name it test1. Enter test1 as the subject name as well. And as you can see, you have your text. You have the company name and placeholder logo here. And you can change this however you want. You just double click it and change the text to whatever you want. You can also add text headings 1, headings 2, and ordinary text wherever you want. Just by dragging and dropping, you can add it wherever you need. You can add images such as this. You can add images with text such as this. And you can also add spacers if you want to add space between your elements such as this. Now I have 20 pixels of space between these, which you can increase depending on your wishes. And once you're finished with your template, you can preview it if you want, and preview it for PC and mobile as well. And then once you're done, you can just click save. You can save now or save as a draft to come back to later. I'm just going to save now, select the test folder I've created, select save, and now we have our template. And now if I want to select a template, now I have test1 and I can select it for my mass email or email campaign. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.